Welcome to the Modern Professional Polishers Academy, where we answer daily questions, give you tips and tricks, and motivation to help you navigate the world of paint correction.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Pro Polishers Academy, where we help paint correctors like you turn your systems into consistency by moving you through the learning curves faster, utilizing formulas that work without fail. I'm Smitty, and I'll be your lead instructor. Let's get into it. For today's Why You Should Get Into Paint Correction, I want to talk about being multifaceted. So when you get into the world of detailing, you're going to start paying attention a lot more to simply the details. And it's not just the details of a vehicle, but you start paying attention to the details of a lot of different aspects of life. But detailing specifically, if you're really about it, if you really want to take everything to the max and know the ins and outs of every piece of it, it's not just going to be polishing paint. You're going to be a photographer. You're going to be your own content creator. You have to really pay attention to and understand what's going to bring the clients in, what's going to get you the most visibility online, what's going to set you apart from other detailers who are offering the same services as you. So doing detail work, doing paint correction will really make you multifaceted. I typically do all of my own work, from the camera work to the photography, of course the paint correction, and anything else that you can really think of. And sometimes it can get a little tough, but you know exactly what you're looking for. Now, to a certain degree, you'll start building and expanding and finding other people to come in and record for you. And I have had others come in and record, but I like to do this work on my own. I was actually interested in photography and videography prior to paint correction. And so the paint correction kind of took it to another level. So getting into this may help you open up new doors outside of auto detailing. You get a camera, you learn how to work that camera, and the sky's the limit. You take that iPhone that you already have, if it's got those 3 cameras on the back, and I believe even the 2 camera iPhones, if you've got 4K recording, you can really put together some crazy videos with the specific app or apps right from your phone. So guys, get into the paint correction today. This is not the end of the road. As soon as you learn how to polish that vehicle, there are going to be many other doors to open up and many other hurdles to jump over. You're going to have to figure it out in the beginning.
Hey guys, real quick, I want to tell you about our business transition program, where we take anybody who's looking to get into paint correction, whether you're already doing general detailing or you're ready to transition from your white collar, blue collar, military, school career, whatever the case might be, we're going to transition you into paint correction. If you're looking to go from a little bit of detailing experience into full-blown paint correction or zero experience at all, I'm going to show you how to go from a little bit of money to a lot of bit of money. We'll show you how to go from 0 to 5 figures or 0 to 6 figures, whatever it is that you're looking to do, I can show you how to do it. But it's not just teaching you how to run a machine. Anybody can run a machine, and a lot of us grew up in a garage. That's not the holdup. The holdup is knowing the business part, knowing how to set up a website, how to talk with your customers, knowing the verbiage of the industry that you're in. You have to know these things in order to succeed and grow and scale something that's going to have a foundation that'll be around forever. How to build a brand, how to get the corporation or the LLC, how to offer financing to your customers. All of this stuff that's taken me years to figure out, we're going to offer it to you. So we have a tier 1 and a tier 2 program, guys. And tier 1 is including in-house training. If you want to come in for a week, you can come in for a week. I'll put my stamp of approval on you. Or if you want to go tier 2 and just stay online, that's cool too. It's a lifetime experience. I'm very excited to finally be able to offer this. You'll be, like I always say, getting around those learning curves fast, super fast in this case, because it's taken me, again, years to get here, guys. And just being able to offer financing changes the game for somebody who's either been in business for some time or looking to get into this business. Guys, if you're ready to go to the next level, this is only for the serious people now. Hit that link below, check out the free masterclass on the business transition program. We'll see you next time. The paint is waiting on you. Peace.